you doing makeup?
I'm drawing you. Just wait. I hope you take this home.
Tyler, you'd be lucky if I didn't take that off this table.
Just let me finish, please. Put a little tiny pecker.
Let's go. Goldfish.
You wish you were a female with short little curled hair. Yeah, give me a second. I'm drawing Haywood. That's what you wish you were, a female.
Another Ford Raptor is in. We're doing a front bumper installation on this one.
What's up, guys?
Stock bumper is on, but that cannot stay. We cannot have this like that. We're going to be replacing it with the 80D front bumper. So here is the new bumper, 80D Honey Badger front bumper. It's definitely gonna have a nice presence, more so than the factory bumper. You got an opening here for a light bar, and there's even an opening for a light bar on the side. So definitely have some options. Tyler is actually working on the leveling kit for this. They're a little bit lower in the front than they are in the rear. So this will level it out. So the front and the rear will be about the same height. How's it coming along?
It's not.
Oh. Alrighty then. This turned out to be a nice quick little project. 3 main things that we did to this Raptor. Addictive Desert Design front metal bumper. Makes it look much more aggressive than before. Cool thing is it has room to put LED light bars on there if you want to do that. The light bars will be coming in, but until then we're just gonna ride without them. A leveling kit for the front to reduce that rake that normally comes with Ford Raptors from factory, so it looks a lot more balanced. And to finish everything off, 37-inch mud terrain tires with some nice 1552 matte bronze wheels. It goes really well with this black color scheme on this truck. Dustin, what are you doing? Dustin, you look lost. You're normally not out here.
What?
What are you doing out here, Dustin?
I live here. I'm trying to go golf course.
Well, this is a treat. Lamborghini Aventador SV.
It's pretty nice.
Carbon fiber door panels. Get that nice red leather pull tab. Leather is so fine and grainy. Super veloce. Matte carbon fiber wing. I love that. Oh, what a view. That's cool. Yeah, that is nice. It's not a sticker, it's actually in the paint. You guys know how I love my aggressive diffuser. I always prefer matte over gloss carbon, just because it's kind of underrated in my opinion. We're gonna be tinting this. Are you excited about this one, Dustin? This is nice glass though, Dustin.
This is old glass.
What does that mean?
No, old glass.
So it's high quality. I mean, this looks nice. The edge here normally on a lot of newer cars, it's not clean. It's all like jagged and it's smooth. I think this is my first time doing a tint walk around on a Lamborghini in the vlogs. Aventador SV with Photosync 30 on the sides and the back, keeping it nice and dark and, you know, giving that a little bit of privacy while still being legal, of course. And then Photosync 70 on the front windshield. That front windshield is massive, guys. It's super slanted and it lets in a lot of heat because of the size, so definitely benefits from having Photosync on all the windows, keeping it nice and cool. The shop money pit is back in the garage. We are going to be installing the new wing that we painted gloss black to match. So Ted, how much was the silencer?
$50.
So add that to the money pit list.
I bought the back seat brackets. You know how they're supposed to latch into something? If you get hit from behind, it's just gonna collapse. That's not safe, bro. A Corolla. Okay. No. That's someone that doesn't wear a seatbelt.
So Ted, how much was that bracket?
Oh, it's really cheap. I bid up to $150 and I won it for $15. Okay, then don't do it.
This was originally white.
Go ahead and lift it out of the way. Yo, hold on, is it straight? Is it where you want it to be? Oh my god, you took it off too fast. Akira Nakai-san!
I like it. Gives the back some more detail, some more depth, to more character to it, I would say.
Ready to join the crew? Call Tom. You got another. You know, it's funny. I've only seen the first Fast and Furious movie, really.
What do you think, bro?
Looks good. Oh yeah, it's nice. I ordered carbon fiber end caps for that spoiler.
Definitely gives a character, I would say for sure. Back was kind of boring. Now it just has more of a presence, which is good. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to work on cars, hit us up. Our contact info in the description down below. We will see you next time.
Kind of roll this window up real quick. 1, 2.
7 seconds.
So it's like raining in your car. You have to roll up the window.
No! No!